Hi everyone. So today's discussion is all about what to take after class 10. There are many students who were very confusing in their mind what you should take after class 10. Okay, so this is the very big question. Many cousins of mine were also confused what to take. They were asking the questions. What we have to take, is it good to take science, or is it good to take commerce, or is it good to take arts? So there is a lot of confusion in everyone's mind. So let's clear this confusion. Okay, so what happened, whatever your subjects you are taken in class 10th, and you should have a good knowledge about that subject. Let's suppose some student is good in physics, chemistry, and he is very sure about it, and he is liking the subject very much. So you should take science very easily to for your 11th and 12th. But if he has good knowledge in theory subjects, he is good in theory exams, so he should take the arts or commerce, it will say. And there is a confusion in mind also regarding maths. So in maths, many people are good in mathematics, but not good in physics and chemistry. So this is not a good idea to take science for this case. Okay, it's not compulsory that if you are good in mathematics, so you are good in science. They are completely different. Science is different and maths is different. So you just can't choose science stream just on the basis that your math is good. So you can't take the risk. Okay, so first of all, be clear in your mind. Are you good in mathematics, or are you good in physics or chemistry? If you are good in mathematics, so in my opinion, you should go to the commerce stream and take mathematics as an optional to continue your 11th class and 12th class, and this will be good for your future also. But if you are good in physics and chemistry, and you are very liking the subject, and you know how to do the things in physics and chemistry, and you are enjoying doing it and learning it, so you should go to science. There's no topic here what marks I have got in science stream in my 10th exam. There's nothing to do with that. There's little much you can say to do with that, but mainly it's all about your interest, what you are liking the most while studying. Are you enjoying physics, or are you enjoying mathematics? You should think about that and choose your stream wisely, because it's a very good decision in to take 11th and 12th subjects. Its whole college life and everything will depend on what you take on 11th and 12th. So it's very important, and you should take counseling in your schools what you should take for your 11th and 12th class. And also after that, you should also talk to your seniors who are in 11th and 12th, who just pursuing the subjects and learning what difficulties they are facing after choosing the streams that they are chosen. So you should have a proper discussion with your friends, with your family, and with your seniors, and take proper counseling regarding this. And most importantly, think about what you are liking the most while studying. Are you liking physics, are you liking maths, are you liking chemistry? What you are liking the most, just think about it and go for the stream then only. Because if you are taking the subjects that are not interest you, and you are just feeling bored, why I am reading this, what's the logic behind this, I am not liking it, so there is no point of studying that subject. So just think about what you are liking the most. Are you liking social studies, or are you liking maths? So take decision on the basis of that. And apart from this, just talk to your seniors, those who are already in 11th and 12th, and what difficulties they are facing. That is also important to take decision what you should take, science or commerce or arts. There is no pressure you should take. It's your decision completely. You should know yourself. You should complete your board exam with good marks, I hope so, and every good percentages you should get with your hard work. But just after taking this decision for your 11th class, just talk to your seniors and teachers and take counseling before take any stream. Okay, and enjoy learning the subjects that you are liking. Okay, so this is all I want to say for the 10th class students. Just choose your stream wisely, and learn your 11th and 12th class very well. Thank you.